Welcome to another Sobotta Computer Presents. Today we're going to make burritos, and we need, for your burger, you need anything like this or turkey. You just put a pound of it in there for three to four people, and turn on the oven. Turn on the stove to 5 and let it cook. First you spray it. Now you break up the meat with anything with a spatula or something like this. My dad gave this to me. And just break up the meat. Until you get to your current consistency. Just cook the beef or turkey for about 15 to 20 minutes, up to 30 minutes. Get your refried beans ready if you want that. Now the burger is brown. We're going to add the seasoning. You can get the pre-made seasonings at the store, or you can make your own. But we're going to do the ones from a pre-made packet. Read the directions on the packet and stir all it in. Put the packet in there and stir until all the water is absorbed. Keeping it on medium heat. I have it on 6 just to speed up the process, but it should still taste good. Here's the burger. It's all finished. I'm going to turn off the heat. Get a bowl. Now you can shred cheese or buy the shredded already. But we're going to shred this. We have this already. Let's do it like this. So we have some cheese in there. We can put more if we want, but I'm just one person, so now you can warm up your burrito shell or however you do it in the microwave for 10 seconds, or you can warm it up on the frying pan, and make it more crispier. Do it like that, and we'll get to the burrito next. Get a bowl for it and dump it in, and then we'll make our burrito after this. Here's the beef. Add some refried beans, a little salsa con queso. This is just a basic burrito. You can add lettuce, onions, pickles, whatever you want. And you can add, I'll have some salsa here. This is the mild stuff. And then we'll take that shredded cheese and add it to the burrito. And there we go, is our burrito for the evening. We just fold it up like this. And you can make one like this, or you can make it much less. Now we're going to eat this. Good. Very good. And thank you for watching my videos. Well, I'll have more next week. Bye.